Hello, this is me again. Another day, another vlog, another day in my life is professional. Tama, I don't know what to say anymore. Hapo, muli siya kabadlay mag-vlog. Di, adlawan lamang ko nanay ay. So, today is another day para mag-ayos ang aking higaan. Because it feels so nice na malinis, maayos at malambot ang higaan, right? Nakaka-relax lang ng utak kapag lahat maayos. Dahil kahit medyo mabigat yung dinadala, ito lang yung comfort natin tuwing gabi. From all the struggles, pain that we're going through, ang makatulog lang ng mahimbing ang dinadalangin. Na kahit sa isang munting higaan, mararamdaman natin yung peace na deserve natin. Lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. And not all of us could handle it so easily. Kaya sa iba, sasabihin na lang nila, para yan lang. Napakababaw mo naman. Maybe it's easy for you to say or to handle, but not for them. That's why I'm telling you again. Kindness doesn't cost a thing. If you can do it, then do it. Because your small act of kindness can change someone's entire day. And sa mga nade-discourage, kagaya kong nawawala ng confidence sa sarili, all we have is ourselves. Oo, nandyan yung pamilya natin to support us, magmahal. May mga kaibigan hindi tayong pababayaan, susuporta din. Pero at the end of the day, sarili lang natin yung makakatulong. Na if you're not willing to help yourself, to get up every day, to fight for it, hindi ka makakabangon. We must do it on our own. Kaya, tibayan pa natin yung loob natin. And, yung pinaka-importante, yung faith natin kay Lord, hindi mawala. Te, amis yung baratangan ko. Sinumulid. Pero banta nyo, kaulid ka mo. Sa muli. Bye!